Yo, is there pizza in there?
No.
Might be pizza in there. Come on.
Gross. You better wash your hands.
What? There's a slice. Wait, there's a slice. I got 4 pizza.
People have been so sick coughing here and you're touching that.
You don't want a bite?
No, I don't want to bite.
A bite? Want a bite? What's up, everybody? It's Grim, and this is our second day at the Great Wolf Lodge, and we are returning home tonight. But for right now, before we get to anything else, I'm gonna have a little figure fun. Discount code Grim saves 10% on all of your wrestling figures. Black Friday, super sale, super shopping. And right now, we're gonna have ourselves a great match. Fuck you! Good God Almighty! This is gonna be the greatest match in the history of our sport. Super Cena versus Seth Rollins in a throw him through the great match. No! Fuck! They're not gonna fit. They're not gonna fit. Oh, shit. Thought that would have been funny.
What are you doing?
I was having a great match. Get it? A match on that grate over there?
Anything good, you're going to lose figures. You're
That was
going to
the
fall
point.
through that grate.
That was the point. It was going to be the greatest match in the history of our sport. I was going to have them fall through the grate. But unfortunately, the figures don't fall.
No, we were breaking them.
Go ahead. See how far you can throw them.
Where am I throwing them
Throw
at?
in the grate. No, Mama's going to do it.
She wants to do it.
All right, you throw. Then you throw this one.
Okay.
Go ahead, throw them. See if you can throw them in the grate. It's the greatest match in the history of our sport. You throw them in the grate. Yeah, you missed. Go ahead, Amy.
Get him.
Throw them. Throw them in the grate. Throw them in the grate. Yeah, you missed. What a waste. Yeah, the point was they were supposed to go through the grate. The loser goes through the grate, but don't fit. Fail.
What in the
Is it
world?
going?
Yeah, it's going. You wanted me to film this?
What the world are you doing?
I'm gonna stand up here. We're gonna do a swanton.
Billy, we're going to have to go to the hospital here in the Poconos.
What you gonna do, brother?
I asked you to make the bed, not jump on the bed, if that's what you're planning.
I don't feel like this.
And you know you're going to slip and that's going to go right between your legs. That's what's going to happen. I could see that happening.
What you gonna do, brother? Who's next?
Well, your butt stayed in.
No, it actually was out.
Then that's a win. Who's next? Amy,
I'll
you're
do
up.
it. I want to try.
I
Let's
want to
go.
try.
I don't want her to hurt herself.
Go ahead, Aim.
I don't want you to hurt
I'm
yourself.
not going to
Peanut.
stand.
You gotta stand. You gotta leap.
No, you're going to hurt yourself.
Barbara, hold her. Hold her so she can leap. Here we go. We are the leaping lizards.
Can I just jump onto that bed to this bed?
Yeah. No.
I want you to jump off the wall. It's very, very rare.
This is not good parenting. No, we're not doing it.
This is.
We're not doing it.
Woo! All right, you're up.
That's as far as it goes.
The red mist period dragon is ready for flight.
Your butt is ready for flight.
You'd probably be better off. Here she goes.
How did you get up here? Did you stand on the table?
I stood on the bed and hopped
Oh,
up. Come on, get up there, boy.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall.
Just throw your leg over
Put your foot on the table.
and lean over.
It's going to split back here.
Oh, well, I'm missing this.
No.
She was like this on the air.
Go ahead, stand on the table. It's not gonna break.
Daddy's more heavy.
Yeah, I'm
I don't know how did you hoist yourself up here?
Maybe because
because I'm athletic. Yeah.
You're not athletic.
There she goes. There she goes.
Scared. Oh, I'm scared up here. I feel like I'm riding a horse. I gotta get off this.
Come on, leap.
I can't.
Just leap onto the bed.
I can't because I don't have good balance.
Just fall onto the bed.
Don't film me in case I fall and get hurt.
That's the whole reason to film you.
Don't. Why did I get myself up here? Now I gotta call the fire department.
Just fall. Come on, take the flop. Come on, girls, start chanting with me.
No.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Stop filming. That's making me nervous.
All right, I'm not gonna film. All right, the camera's away.
No, it's not.
Camera's away. It's not filming you at all. Jump. You got it. Piece of
I
cake.
can't do it standing on here. Is that what you did?
It's gonna be weak.
That's all I
Dumb
do.
ways to die.
Four.
I know that was a
Ways to
fail.
die.
What's dumb ways to die?
Dumb ways to die. You fly on a bird, they go wee.
That was a complete fail. I'm embarrassed. That was a fail.
Can we have a match on the bed?
No.
Yes. Bobby. They sell stuffed animals of you here.
I know.
Isn't that amazing?
I have a deal with them.
What?
I have a deal with them.
Do you really?
Yeah.
Keep your eyes peeled for any more free floor pie. What? If it's like, it wasn't just one piece, if it's like a whole pie or half a pie, then you know we're good to go. Nobody messed with it.
You better wash your hands.
Anybody got any free floor pie? Remember that time I found a cake and we ate the cake for breakfast?
No, you ate the cake.
So now we're at this little spa thing here, and Heel Wife is getting her hooves maintenance. She's in for hoof maintenance. Everybody knows that. And now that the hooves have been maintained, we will maintain the dragon talons. Why do you keep no-selling me? I'm seriously about to turn this car back around and just go back.
Why?
The hell with this stupid traffic. We're going to have to sit in this garbage all night.
Go back, please.
Amy wants to go back. Should we just go back?
We wanted to stay, but you made us miss Santa, came on in a helicopter.
I didn't make you miss that. It was when you were getting your nails done, duh.
No. No,
I
there
didn't
was
make
still
it.
time.
She did. Amy, did you want to see Santa Claus?
No.
Thank you. Thank you.
I wanted to see Santa Claus.
Yeah, the 8-year-old talked us out of seeing Santa Claus. So now we're on our way home, and we get to sit in a crap load of traffic because nobody knows how to drive. Step on the gas, you moron!
It left no.
It looks like she was in the middle of climbing as soon as we got home.
What? This is the weirdest thing ever. So we just
She
got
went
home.
to the TV.
So we just got home.
I left this stuff.
What
Sent
is-
you a treat from the North Pole.
Mrs. Claus sent you a treat from the North Pole, and we
What's
have
it with?
elves on the TV. Who did this? We weren't home. We literally left the house like this
A mess.
as we tackled everything out of the way.
I was hoping the elves would clean while we were gone.
My figures from Ringside Collectibles. Guys, if you missed our unboxing yesterday, look what we got. We got so much good stuff, I missed them. I couldn't wait to get home to play with them. Everybody thinks that Maurice makes a better Nikki Bella than Nikki Bella makes a
I
Nikki
think it
Bella.
was really good, Nikki Bella, the Maurice. I like it. It's my new favorite toy.
It's my new favorite toy, she says. And this one is seriously one of my favorites right here. Kevin Owens. Everybody loved your joke about the engagement set. And I can't wait to open this. Old HBK. And I forgot about these guys, the New Day.
Yeah, I know.
Big E and Xavier Woods. Oh yeah, and there's a Mojo.
New Day horn.
What?
I like to say.
You don't...
She has the New Day horn.
I know, you said they suck now?
She changes her new people that she likes
I know.
like every other
No,
week.
I like to
Vintage
change
11-year-old.
Everyone else does.
Vintage
I'm
11-year-old.
not vintage.
You are.
Listen to that 60s music in the car.
60s music. It's called 90s music.
You
I was a
sure?
teenager in the 90s. I know to you it sounds like it was ancient.
You were a teenager in the 1860s. You're ancient!
You're ancient.
Daddy is ancient.
Shut up. You're ancient. Look what happened. Look what happened. It must have been from that great match. His hair's been all grated off, and now it's all messed up.
Oh, he's in rough shape.
He is in rough shape. That's okay. We'll order a new one. Black Friday sales and stuff.
Oh my goodness. Do they have any good deals on these things?
Yeah, they do. That's why I was so hype about it. Apple juice!
Oh.
That's what I wanted to do to that guy at the Wolf Lodge. Remember that? Amy, come here. Come here.
What?
Do you remember what that guy did to you at the Wolf Lodge?
Yeah, it's
The guy in the red coat.
I'll go get one of my bars.
He was
She
a
goes, I'll
jerk.
go get one of my Barbies. So they're watching a show. The kids are watching a live show up on the stage. Let's pretend this is. Go ahead,
Wait,
stand. there.
so
That's
this is me.
that's you.
That's you.
This is the stupid guy, and he was like,
He just literally stood right in front of her like that, not even kidding.
He pushed her a little bit too.
Yeah,
With his arm. I
The
was really
show's over
surprised.
here, and Amy's sitting there watching the show, and he just goes and stands right in front of her. So, what did
He
Daddy
kind of pushed her
Cena?
out of the way.
What did Daddy Cena do? Daddy Cena goes You want to die? He just looks and steps out of the way.
Wait, did you really say that?
Yeah. Because nobody messes with me, and furthermore, nobody messes with my kids. Right?
No messes with me, or they get it.
I'm teaching her to be the same way.
Or they get the bow to the face.
Yeah, they get
Bow to the face.
We'll wrap it up like a bow. Oh, ayo. Right? And we'll beat them solid steel style.
Yeah, so don't be a jerk to kids.
Yeah, don't be a jerk to kids. How rude. How rude could you be? People are so rude,
Thought he
man.
was so tough in his red puffy coat.
Should have strangled him with it.
Hey,
Anyway.
I'll play what it looked like. So this is Mommy. This is me.
And then-
we were standing there watching the show.
Right.
This is Daddy.
This
And this
Daddy.
is red puffy coat guy. And then he comes standing in front of me.
Right.
And then Daddy comes over and goes.
Thanks for watching the vlog today, guys. I appreciate it so much. And I'm going to go get some much-needed rest because I'm tired.
You did a lot of driving.
I did do a lot of driving.
He did. I'm proud of him. He held up.
And if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you. Eat it. Yeah.